Hello and Jimresu. Today I want to show you how to cook Prohourh soup.
What the ingredient that we have?
Ingredient that we have: Khmer spice paste with Chinese cheese and garlic, taro, pumpkin, green leaf, tofu, mushroom, lemon parsley, salt, and soy sauce.
How we gonna cook?
First, put a little oil. And add Khmer spice paste, tofu, mushroom, and mix it together.
How long we cook it for?
We cook it for 1 minute. 1 minute is already. We add water and taro, pumpkin. Keep it boil for 10 minutes. Now vegetable is soft. We can add green leaf, salt, soy sauce, and we keep it 1 minute. Now it's soft. Last, we add lemon basil.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Yes. Now Prohourh soup is cooked. Terry, can you help me?
Yes.
Now food is cooked. I hope you guys make it at home. Thank you for watching.